Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to apply discount codes on Jet2 application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Jet2 application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into this application, but if you do not have an account, you can go and of course go and register to this application. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, in the bottom top left corner we have the inbox, and in the top right corner we have the menu where we have search holidays, search flights, manage my booking, and etc, etc. In the bottom we have the home, holidays, flights, bookings, sign in, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply discount codes on Jet2. It's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So once you've selected your trip and added any extras, add-ons to your booking, click through the final screen. Fill out all the required personal particulars, and under the promotion code section, paste your code in and be sure to click apply coupon. So guys, basically do not forget to go and click at the end the apply coupon, because if you do not apply it and go next, it will not be applied. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on guys, as it really helps our channel grow. So it really means to us, so do not forget to go and do those steps. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video, and I hope that you of course enjoyed this video in the first place. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.